In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. To begin, you will install the CJ Dropshipping app from the Shopify App Store. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Shopify admin for the store you want to connect, because the app will link to whichever store is active in your browser. Once you are in the Shopify App Store, search for CJ Dropshipping and open the app listing. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the official app since there can be similar names. When you are ready, select the option to add the app to your store. Next, click Install. Shopify will then show you the permissions screen. This page explains what the app is allowed to access in your Shopify store, such as products, orders, and store information that is needed for syncing. Read through this carefully so you understand what is being authorized. When you are comfortable with the permissions, approve the request to continue. If you are not the store owner, you may need the right staff permissions or an approval from the account owner before you can finish the installation. After the app is installed, you will be prompted to log into your CJ account. Enter your CJ account login details and sign in. If you already have an active CJ account, this should be quick. If you are signed into the wrong CJ account in your browser, pause and sign out first so you connect the correct one. It is a good idea to do this on a stable internet connection because interruptions can cause the authorization process to time out. Once you are logged in, look for the Authorize button. Clicking Authorize is the key step that confirms the link between CJ and your Shopify store. This allows CJ to communicate with Shopify, so product information and order details can be shared between the two platforms. When you select Authorize, wait for the confirmation that the store link is completed. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds and avoid clicking repeatedly, since that can create duplicate prompts. At this point, your CJ Dropshipping app is installed. Permissions are approved, you are logged in, and the store connection is authorized. That covers everything you need to know.